throw it, Cam. Throw it. This man.
Get in. I can get in.
And you still me. Oh.
Oh, it went through your legs. I'm lucky I saw it. I'm lucky I saw it.
Go. Dang.
Let me wear your glove.
Huh?
Let me wear your glove.
Your hand cold?
A little, not that cold.
Hold up. All right, chill out for a minute. Let your hand warm up. Give it a minute. Give it a minute.
See, look how deep it is.
Oh yeah.
Everything that me and Friday went snowboarding last time when it was icy, remember?
Yeah.
Oh shoot!
Dang.
Oh! Well, if we would go to the spot, we would have to walk up there and go over there more.
You gonna go walk over there?
I bet. Then we can play in the snow over there because it's real fun. The last time me and Simon had some good fun. It was real fun though. We can have another snowball fight. I might make a snowman. So we'll turn over here.
Supposed to get about 6 inches today.
Mason looked at the I looked at the weather, it's some 8 inches.
Gonna be snowed in today. Can't where your little spot at over here?
We gotta walk over there too. So
Where?
We'll turn there and walk straight, and it's right there. Car covered in snow. So we turn right here and it's straight in here. Whoa. Can we go to my school?
Where?
Right there, you see those hills and the snow?
I thought you said it was a little spot. Over there, where? Oh, on the hill?
Yeah.
I don't see nobody up there.
You see that? In the green jacket?
Oh, you talking on the hill?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot, it's looking. This is a good spot. Just plant it right there.
You wanna go on your school?
Yeah.
So we letting Cam guide us.
Last time we went over here, we was having fun. Like, last year, I was let out right there.
Where?
Right there. See that door? Because Mr. D's class is right there.
Oh yeah.
Over here, it's going to get deep a little.
Right here? Yeah, it's getting deep.
Yeah. Over there, it gets so deep.
Yeah.
Last time me and Si happened in here, it was deep.
Alright, let's see if we can find a little spot.
It's all grass. It's all grass, but you think that'll be fine?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, shoot.
Oh.
You could plant it in there. Lock up there. See the whole thing.
That's not a bad spot.
Oh, it's deep right here, Dad.
Where?
Look. Right here. See it?
Yeah.
Close to 6 inches. Dang. I'm finna do a snow angel, bro.
Gonna do a snow angel? Yeah, this snow pretty thick though. It's supposed to be like 6, 7 inches, maybe 8. Supposed to get it for about 3 days, 4 days. This guy got a mega snowball.
And I missed
And
it.
still missed.
Dang, I'm surprised there's a plane flying.
They flying through it. I can't see.
Hold up. You took my ski mask under the thing. Yes, no.
Don't take it off. What you doing? Don't you got two gloves?
The other one is in my pocket.
What you waiting on?
Put this hand on it. The only thing that's wet is my ski mask isn't wet. It's fine.
Snow in your eye. Boom. It's coming down hard now.
Oh, yep.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Cam, what you doing?
I'm buttoning up my jacket.
I ain't fishing on that. We're in Frisco, Denton County. Frisco, Texas. Prosper, Texas. Prosper, Texas, if you out there. We got Prosper, Texas. Frisco, Texas. Aubrey, Texas. Little Lamb. Yeah. Y'all got Dawson, Missouri. I don't believe that. North Texas, Frisco, Texas, Prosper, Texas, Aubrey, Texas. Yeah. Can they still over there on the hill?
No. You wanna go over there?
I'm about to come in right now.
Alright.
Go, 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 go. Run, Cam, run. Go. Take your back. Boom. Do a snow angel right there, Cam.
Right here?
Look, you gotta get like right where you see it. Like, look, ain't no mark on it.
Okay.
Like right there.
Wait, so jump back. Right here?
Yeah.
I did it. I'm gonna go over to the hill.
Trying to go over there?
Yeah. I wanna go back. I wanna go home and get my sled first.
This guy.
Can we?
Alright, hold on. Hold on.
So we go home, come back and get. We go home. I'll get my sled, and then we'll come back. All right. You hear me?
Yeah. Let's walk around that way. Yeah, snow getting kind of heavy out here right now. Say about 12 o'clock. It's supposed to be real like 6, maybe 6, 7 inches. But hey, we outside in it.
This isn't the type of snow to do snowing. I mean, it's snowman.
I couldn't even crank my 4-wheel up, Cam.
That was your fault.
How?
It's icy.
Yeah, it's fun. It's fun.
Dad, look at this.
Hanging out with Cam.
Look.
School clothes.
You wanna see some?
This guy right here.
It's slippery, so you might want to watch out when the tire marks go. We need to buy our own things. We need to buy our own snowboards for Texas when it snows.
That's fine.
This is deep.
Yes, sir. Yeah, we might get out and run and slide a little bit. We might do that. Cam trying to get on. What you finna do, Cam?
It's a boogie board, so I was thinking I could go either down here or over there by the hills.
Okay. So it seems like Cam got a plan.
You want one or not? We could share one. Cause it's fun when the stupid one, cause you can fall. And it's just fun. Everybody laughs.
Aubrey, Prosper, Frisco, gonna get it next couple days. Enjoy it. I almost fell. Snow deep. This guy.
Why'd you attack me? Which road in Mississippi is the one that you crashed? 20?
What you mean crash? I ain't crashed on 20.
I mean, which road is it that you crashed in Mississippi on your knee, remember?
Yeah, I see. Yeah, snow will do it. I was in Colorado. Got that good feeling of the real snow up there. Breckenridge. Breckenridge is Breckenridge is the real deal. It look like Texas is showing the real deal right now. Cam, I was way back in Pilot Point, I think. You talking when I crashed the 4-wheeler?
No, when you when your knee, remember? Where you had to get surgery on your knee.
Oh yeah. That was in Mississippi.
But what road? 20?
Yeah, that was on 20.
Mom said that you didn't crash on 20. I said it had to be on 20 because you said you didn't like it.
I wish I would have went on and bought a snowmobile. I guess I'd say that for that South Dakota. South Dakota the real deal.
You could have if you cranked up your 4-wheeler, we could have rode it and you could have got me a real bike for Christmas.
Yeah.
And we could ride right now.
You probably ain't gonna ride. You wouldn't be able to crank it.
See, right here you can't tell where.
Ride, you wouldn't be able to crank it.
See, right here you can't tell where's the sidewalk is.
Yep.
Oh, I'm gonna do a southern jump right here.
This guy Cam say he gonna do the snow angel right there. Get up, you wet?
No.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right.
You see that?
Cam. My boy Cam. Supposed to be at school today.
I'm actually glad they canceled school.
This man.
What? What?
Cam, what you gonna go get? You gonna get a sled?
Well, it's not a sled. It's a boogie board, but it's like a sled.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get mine. Well, if I can find it. I hope it snows on the weekend.
Snow's probably gonna be gone by Saturday.
No, it's probably gonna be done by Simon's birthday.
But I think it's gonna freeze up.
Yeah. I wonder if it's gonna be snowing on Simon's birthday. His birthday's coming up. What's today? January 17th?
Yeah. I don't know what's today. Today, what, Thursday?
Yeah, of January.
Yeah.
See, This is. I'm gonna throw
This
this
guy
at
Cam.
you. What?
Cam say he got it.
I'm gonna throw it at you.
This man. All right. Dang. Oh, this right here frozen. Cam, you gonna jump in?
No. It's not frozen. It's just.
See if you stick your feet down there. Don't go all the way in.
It's not frozen. See?
Well, you can swim. You'll be all right. It's like a little slush.
Yeah. It's because all the snow's falling in the water.
Yeah.
See? It's just there's a big layer of snow. See?
Yeah. Yeah, it's just slush. It ain't froze yet.
Yeah.
I don't think it's cold enough for that.
But when it was
Maybe
ice,
15, 10 degrees, it'll freeze up.
Yep. But when it was icy last year, it froze up.
Yeah, I don't want to be inside in front of the TV. I don't even like watch TV. I'd rather read. But yeah, to each his own, you know. Let's see.
Yeah, you falling there. I'm gonna be laughing at you.
Okay, you ready to head back?
Yep. To get my boogie board and we'll come back.
Yeah.
I bet.
Let's see what's up. Cam, look at that. Look, that's a little coyote
Where?
right there. You see it?
No.
You don't see it moving right there?
Oh! Dude, that scared me.
That's a coyote for
I'm ready
real.
to throw hands anytime.
This man,
I always
That's a
want to
coyote.
fight a coyote.
he over there chilling.
Yep. Watch out, don't fall in there.
Oh, I fell in.
Oh,
No,
shoot.
it got you.
Coyote trying to
See
find
it? You see it?
Yep, he's trying to find shelter. Just trying to find something warm or something to eat. See, this is the good snow for snowballs.
Oh yeah.
Breckenridge wasn't like this.
Yeah, we in Aubrey, Texas.
I woke up at 6.
Oxford, Texas.
Uh-huh.
Salina.
I had woke up at 6 and
Frisco.
the weather had said that it's 100% of snow. I mean, 100% of light snow, but look at this.
Oh yeah.
You think I'm gonna be a pitcher?
Said what?
I said, you think I'm gonna be a pitcher? Think I'm gonna be a pitcher?
Said what?
I said, you think I'm gonna be a pitcher?
Can you be whatever you want to be? Whatever you want to be. Put your mind to it, you can do it.
I'm best at though.
Man, that's what you focus on. Whatever you best, that's what you focus on, my boy.
Frosty saw a coyote, he gonna go crazy. You gonna have to open the garage with your phone. Or is the front door unlocked? Probably not. Yesterday, I saw a coyote or that trail, remember?
Yeah.
I saw a coyote and I had took off.
Hey.
I see a bird. Now it's just coming down slowly.
Man, it's probably going, what time is it? I don't even know.
That's what I'm saying. It's probably, because when we left,
Probably like that.
that's what I'm saying. It's probably, because when we left,
Probably like 11.
Yeah, because when we left, it was 9. So, it's probably been a couple hours.
Yeah.
Frosty can't go outside because it's gonna, his paws could get infected.
Dang.
Like, you know that little pad, that black pad on his paws?
His little paw.
Yeah, it could get cold easily and he could get infected, I think. That's what it had said. Infected, I think. That's what it had said. I see a red bird. Do you see it? I mean a red
Cardinal.
Yeah. Then we'll turn on this street up here. It's deep right here.
Oh, yeah.
See, at first when me and Mom took, when me and Mom took Frosty on the walk, it was straight rain.
Yeah.
Like, actually. Then when we got back, on the way home from taking Frosty on the walk, it started to, like, big chunks of snow was coming down.
Oh, yeah.
Like a big diamond size.
It's go. Can't hold it.
See, this hasn't closed up. This isn't the part of the slushy.
Oh, yeah. Ready?
Yeah. Don't step on that. You're gonna have to jump. Cause you fall in, I'm laughing.
Will he make it? Nope. Jump, Cam. Man, that's good enough. Come on, man. Stop playing.
No, I'm saying if this is.
You gotta jump. Just jump. Golly, man. It got alright.
I thought I was gonna fall in.
Golly, man. It got alright.
I thought I was gonna fall in. Over here hasn't been touched. See, this is big slushy now. Wait, I think this is ice. Because it's not moving.
It's probably frozen.
Nope.
Nah, that's slush. You can tell. Right now we in Arbor, Texas.
Oh, yeah, it is frozen.
Arbor. Right now we in Arbor, Texas.
Oh, yeah, it is frozen.
Arbor, Texas.
I didn't hear that.
We in Arbor, Texas
I didn't
right
hear
now.
it was flowing. Where's that at? Oh, yeah, it is flowing.
Arbor, Texas.
I didn't hear that.
We in Arbor, Texas
I didn't
right
hear
now.
it was flowing. Where's that at? Oh, it's right here. Where's that at? Oh, it's right here.
You hear the water?
Yeah. You see it?
Don't fall in.
Nah, I'm not now. If I do, I know how to swim.
Older up there, though.
Some soccer ball right there.
Oh,
Older up there, though.
Some soccer ball right there.
oh yeah.
Playing soccer over here.
I can't even crank my four-wheel up.
There.
Oh yeah.
Playing soccer over here.
I can't even crank my four-wheel up. Crazy.
My bike tore up. Chain popping off and everything.
Should be good though.
It's just you put too
I
much
think you're
of
gonna
that
have to.
oil
Yeah, you're gonna
on it.
probably have to tighten it up.
Cause you put too much oil that one day. You put too
I
much
think you're
of
gonna
that
have to.
oil
Yeah, you're
on
gonna
it.
probably have to tighten it up.
Cause you put too much oil that one day. Cause you put too much oil that one day. Cause you put too much oil that one day. Cause you put too much oil that one day.